everybody. My name is Amy Brainerd, and I'm here today to show you step-by-step how I created my life book using free Canva. So this is my life book that I created. It is just done with using an 8.5 by 11 standard view binder that I happen to have at home. If you haven't already seen the inside of the details of my life book, I have a video tour. So it is called Amy's Life Book Tour, and all my videos are hosted on my YouTube channel called The Lifebook Life. So please check that out beforehand if you haven't already seen it. I'm going to create a whole bunch of shorter videos so that you can watch, do the work, and then go back really easily. I'm going to go through this stuff quickly. Canva has some great tools and tutorials. So if I do something that is a little, you've never done before, it's a little unclear, you want a little bit more explanation, you can go right into the Learn section of Canva, and there are a whole bunch of tutorials there. So let's start off by sharing my screen and going right into my free Canva. So here we are. At this point, you should have already gone through the whole Lifebook program and have your premise, vision, purpose, and strategies all in writing, either in a notebook, or if you're like me, I did mine in another program so that I could just cut and paste the words right into Canva, but however you prefer. I also suggest that you have any quotes that you want to put in your Lifebook section, as well as photos. We've been provided with some stock photos right in the Lifebook program. You can maybe identify some personal photos that you have and just have them in a file ready to upload. They can be uploaded into Canva. And there are also free stock photos located in Canva, which I will show you.